How to create NVIDIA account. If you want to sign up your account in NVIDIA, this video is for you. Follow this instruction. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in NVIDIA. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of NVIDIA and this is the homepage of this website. Here on the top right corner, you can see this sign in option. Click on sign in. Now you can see two different options. Click on sign in. If you have already created an account, simply type in your email on this field to log into your account. Also, to sign up to your account, type in your email on the same field. After that, click on this continue option. Now type in your display name. After that, type in your birth date. Now enter your password, or you can also use strong password recommended by Google. Now if you want to stay logged in this device, then click on this box to mark it as checked. Now make sure to click on this box to ensure that you are human. After that, click on this create account option. Now you'll receive a verification code on your email, so open your email and simply copy that code and paste it here. Now simply copy this code and paste it here. After that, click on this continue option. If you have not received any code, click on this request and you want to receive the code again. So this is how you can create a new account in NVIDIA. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.